We have the breaking news. 19-year-old Karmelo Anthony found guilty of murder in Texas with Rich McHugh following it from McKinney. All right, Rich, it's in and it's murder.
Yeah, that's the word we just got from inside the courtroom. Our producer's there. Just simple text, guilty of murder. I asked first degree. I think it's assumed it's first degree because that was what was on the table. There was manslaughter, was the lesser charge, and murder. And murder, as we talked about before, carries 5 years to 99 years. I was also told by the PEIO in the courtroom that they may now deliberate further on sentencing. They told us this before the verdict, so it's possible that they're also going to weigh in on sentencing, which, you know, it's not been my experience that we've done that before, but this is Texas, and so that could be it. But again, the verdict here, guilty of murder. Connell.
Stand by, Rich. Reaction now in the crowd. Xavier Walton is with us. I saw us right away when we learned of the verdict. We had the video up during commercial. I saw some crying. I hear some screaming. Tell us what it's like.
Yeah, Connell, so immediately once that verdict was read, a woman fell to her knees, overwhelmed with emotion. She began to cry. And, you know, I'm going to walk over here. Austin, watch your step. Come on, Austin, come this way. And one thing I've heard multiple times since that verdict was read, you know, these folks saying that's what you get when you have an all-white jury. Obviously, that's been talked about a lot. We know there was not a single black person being represented in that jury. So it looks like two gentlemen are yelling back and forth right now, and it looks like law enforcement is separating them.
Yo, get that baby out of here! Get that baby out of here!
And you hear a man yelling, "Get that baby out of here." There are children here. Notice the gentleman in the cowboy hat. Law enforcement is here. But Connell, so much emotion, boiling. It is hot. Tensions obviously flaring up. And you see the crowd of cameras. You see the people walking that way, Connell. I can tell you there's a whole group of people that once that verdict was read, you can just see in their faces like they had been defeated. That was the look of defeat. That's what they had on their face. As we just kind of walk with this crowd, I can tell you I've been here since jury selection, and there have been several Karmelo Anthony supporters that have been here since jury selection. And once that jury was selected, this is what they were worried about: being found guilty of murder, not manslaughter in this case, but murder. So as we kind of follow the crowd, something else to really point out, Connell, law enforcement, they are everywhere. I also asked one of these parents here that is with their children, with their child, I said, why bring a child here? And she told her son here, so that way he would know what it's like to advocate for your community.
Get out of the roadway, you're going to jail! Out of the roadway! You're going to jail!
So Connell,
Enough!
you asked the question, what was it going to be like when the verdict was read? And here's the answer. You see, obviously, the animosity, and rightfully so, Connell.
Out of the roadway.
Notice law enforcement right here. That is from the beginning. We've said that. But yes, Connell, I'll send it back to you. You can take our live images. But I can tell you right now, law enforcement does have control of this. Dozens of people just heard the verdict. But obviously, for days now, this is what they've been waiting for, and it's for a lot of people here, I can tell you that. It's not the verdict they wanted to hear, but also keep in mind a family, the Metcalf family did lose someone. They lost a loved one, and that's what they've been saying too, because there have been Metcalf family supporters out here as well. So Connell, as I send it back to you, emotions running extremely high. Lady beside me just said, used to locking up black folks. I'll be completely honest, Connell, from day one when they had that jury, it was an alarm bell that went off for a certain community that said, no black jurors, we already know what's going to happen. Guilty. So there you go, Connell. That's what it's like down here, right in front of the Collin County Courthouse. You can see it right here. You see all the law enforcement making sure nobody goes in.
We knew that.
Actually, come here, Austin. Be respectful. Come here. So just watch right here. Come in between the cop cars. They just came out of the courthouse. And when you ask, what's the reaction like? You know, obviously, they just came out of the courthouse. a lot of emotion. Guilty, first-degree murder. And you know what? You watch this, and then you still got to think too. Austin Metcalf isn't even here, so Connell, as I say that, I'll send it back to you, and I'll just stay with the live images, and I'll report back if anything happens. But so much raw emotion here on the ground.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.